Hey everyone, Errol here, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is conversion rate optimization. By the end of this video, you'll be able to learn what conversion rate optimization is and why businesses should invest in it. For those of you who don't know, my name is Errol. I am a self-taught designer and I've been in the creative space for about 7 years now, and my specialty is UX design and conversion rate optimization. Just a heads up, this video is just an introduction of what conversion rate optimization is, and I'm going to be sharing my screen with you in a bit, so stick around. Before we discuss what conversion rate optimization is, let's define some terms first to make this video less overwhelming. We'll first define conversion and conversion rate. In business language, conversion is a marketing term used to describe the act of converting a prospect or a website visitor into a paying customer. And conversion rate is the percentage of prospects that turn into a paying customer. Now, what is conversion rate optimization? It's a practice of increasing the percentage of visitors who take a specific action that you'd like them to. An action could almost be anything like buying something, filling out a form, downloading, clicking a link, starting a chat, or making a phone call, and so on and so forth. Are you guys still confused? Let's make these terms more simple through an analogy. It's kind of like putting a glass outside of your house when it's raining and you wanted to fill that glass with water from raindrops. If the raindrop goes inside the glass, that's called conversion. Now, the amount of raindrops going inside the glass, that's called conversion rate. And the act of making the glass wider to accommodate more raindrops is called conversion rate optimization. It's very simple, right? Now, why is this important for businesses? In the world of marketing, improving your conversion rates help you get more out of your marketing dollars without increasing the money you're spending on your marketing. It's like making $3 from just $1 ad spend. Imagine if you're a business owner having this kind of result. I'm sure you'll be super excited to invest more money. And if you're a web designer, imagine if you can help your clients to lower their marketing costs. That would mean that they'll be investing more dollars in you. Anyways, let's have a more relatable example. The most common method used for conversion rate optimization is A/B testing. It's like testing the color of a button and which color would get more clicks, or testing the headlines and which version gets more sign-ups. I guess that's it for now. In my next videos, I'll dive a little deeper on giving you more examples of conversion rate optimization methods. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you got value from this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe. If you have questions, just drop in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And with that said, thanks for watching, guys.